Hey Toyota fans! If you've ever had mysterious error codes like P107A2A or P12D501 pop up on your Camry's dash, you're not alone. And today, we're diving deep into what they really mean, what causes them, and how you can fix them with confidence. These codes aren't your typical OBD2 codes you'll find in the manual. P107A2A and P12D501 are manufacturer-specific, and they often leave even experienced drivers scratching their heads. So, what's really going on? Let's break it down. Both codes are most common on Toyota Camrys and RAV4s from 2018 to 2021, but they can show up on any Toyota or Lexus with a Denso fuel pump. Here's why. Denso, a major supplier for Toyota, produced a batch of low-pressure fuel pumps that can develop internal defects over time. The P107A2A code usually points to a problem with the fuel pump control module or the fuel pressure sensor. Technically, it means the system is detecting abnormal fuel pressure readings, often because the pump isn't delivering enough fuel, or the sensor is sending erratic signals. This issue is directly linked to Toyota's massive Denso fuel pump recall. The faulty pumps can cause inconsistent fuel delivery, which triggers these codes and can lead to engine performance problems. What symptoms should you watch for? Owners report rough or delayed starts, hesitation when accelerating, loss of power, or even stalling, especially at low speeds or when idling. Sometimes the car may crank longer than usual before starting, or the engine might sputter and die unexpectedly. The P12D501 code is less common, but it's usually tied to a fuel system pressure problem or a communication glitch between the fuel pump and the car's main computer. This can happen if the pump is failing, the wiring is faulty, or the sensors aren't communicating properly. So what should you do if you see these codes? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Go to Toyota's recall website and enter your VIN. This will tell you if your car is part of the Denso fuel pump recall. If it is, you're entitled to a free repair. Step 2. Contact your Toyota dealer. Ask if your codes are related to the recall or covered under warranty. Be specific, mention the codes and describe your symptoms in detail. Step 3. If your car isn't covered, visit a reputable independent shop with the Toyota TechStream Diagnostic tool. This tool can read manufacturer-specific codes and run advanced tests to pinpoint the problem. Step 4. Document everything. Take photos or screenshots of the error codes, record when the symptoms happen, and keep all service records. This helps if you need to escalate your case with Toyota or get reimbursement later. Remember, most repairs involve replacing the fuel pump with an updated part and sometimes updating the car's software. On most Toyota Camrys, the fuel pump can be accessed from under the rear seat. Just remove the seat cushion and an access panel, which makes the job much easier and faster than having to drop the fuel tank. Typically, a dealership or shop can complete the fuel pump replacement in about 1 to 2 hours. Your dealer or a qualified shop should walk you through the process and answer any questions. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Stay safe and keep your Camry running strong.